Hello my friends! Today I had a sweet tooth and I wanted some cake so badly or anything sweet, but I kinda am on a diet. I know it's a cliche already, you hear this all around you. But anyway, I thought so much at cakes, so I finally ended up making a cupcake out of paper. Sorry for that furry friend sabotage. I started by making two big tight coils using my imagination and combining several colors. I used my template board to shape my two sides of the cupcake, but you can use anything with a desired shape, a small cup, or just shaping them with your own fingers. Then I secured them in place by applying some glue inside and letting it dry. And now I started decorating it however it crossed my mind. Of course, you can do it which way you want, just let your sweet tooth and imagination take over. I even put a pink cherry on top, or I think it's fuchsia, and I imitated white frosting. Or it can be whipped cream, depending on how you see it. And that's all. Thanks for watching, and I hope I didn't ruin your diet with this. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and leave a like. Also, I dare you to leave a comment and tell me which is your favorite dessert, and I will try to make it from paper in one of my future videos. And I'm serious. Take care now.